Okay. And how do you practice sharing?
Practice sharing, you don't need to. You just if you want to practice sharing, make a scarecrow. And not for the birds, but just keep it in your house. Pretend the scarecrow is talking. Make somebody talk for it, and then stop laughing. And then when you want to give that thing, just give it.
कुछ भी बोलती है.
You were the one who taught me how.
Okay, go for it.
What are you doing? None. Hey, hey.
It's like Hogwarts wants us to fight back.
नानी तरफ वाला तीर है आपके पास? ये दो. मैं उसके साथ प्रेस कर लूँगी.
Hi, you guys can see me. Awesome, I got something cool again. Okay, I don't shop a lot, but I do order books a lot. Thanks for the book recommendation, Nishu. He said it's really good. Fixed a lot of stuff. So after maybe 7 habits, I'm gonna read this one. I'm making a video about how you can give back to people. Now it's on you, Pressure. How do you practice sharing? Like, how do you give back? Hey, answer na.
Stop it. Giving back, you mean, is sharing. Yeah, exactly. Sharing is actually giving something of yours and both of you use it together or something. For example, yes, last night we had a packet of Oreos. You had one, I had one, and then we split the other one in half. That's sharing.
Coco, what do you like sharing?
Kisses.
Kisses.
Kisses. He loves kisses. You know, there's one more thing you could share.
Tell me.
Sharing comments. Funny joke for internet.
शेयर करना कैसे पसंद है?
मेरे को शेयर करना नहीं पसंद.
नहीं पसंद? तुझे अकेली सब चाहिए?
मतलब अपना जो हिस्सा है वो अपने को चाहिए बस, बाकी दूसरे का पता नहीं. दिल बड़ा अगर छोटा, मेरे से भी दिल छोटा होगा तभी तो उसको देंगे.
नहीं, क्यों?
किसी बड़े आदमी को, फिर मैं तो फिर गरीब हूँ ना, अगर मैं बड़े आदमी को क्यों
तो
दूँ?
पैसे थोड़ा ना एक चीज होती है देना.
क्या प्यार भी तो दे सकता है.
हाँ.
प्यार भी तो कर सकता
जब भी दे सकता है, बात सुन सकता है
है.
किसी की.
वो चीज अलग, पैसे के मामले में कह रहा हूँ.
This one's for Adi.
Actually, yeah.
बेड़ा गलत कर दिया सब बराबर ने. साफ कर जमीन पे दे रहा है. Okay, let's go back to my room and finish this. What? What happened?
Sleep with you today.
No one's sleeping with me. Okay, that was a lot of fun and very energy consuming as well. One sec. I also wrote this a couple of days back and I thought I'll just share it with you. 2-3 ways in which I think we can automate giving back. I think 2 of them are actually pretty interesting. So one is behind the line. That's what I call it. So if anyone's behind you in the line and you feel very gracious, or if you just haven't done it in the line, think of yourself, may it be a toll, may it be a parking lot, may it be just a fast food thing, may it be, a clothes store or something. This is not like charity, it's just for you to practice giving. You can maybe pay the bill or at least a certain amount of it for the person behind you. That's point number 1. Second is for clothes. So every time you buy something, what you can do is, so for example, I bought these 2 t-shirts, white and black. Now I have to exit 2 t-shirts from my cupboard. So I only have a certain amount of clothes, and every time I buy new clothes, I exit some. Now this doesn't have to be applicable all the time. That's up to you. But maybe it's something you can practice. I'm definitely going to practice it because I just realized I use such less clothes, especially during the lockdown. So I need to empty my closet. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight in my closet. Point number 3 with food. So whenever you do have extra food, what you can practice is not throwing it in the bin, but instead replacing that habit with giving it to someone. So it can be strays, it can be a helpline number that you can call and they can come collect it, or you can just go out for a ride and give it to a beggar. There are many ways of practicing this. These are 3 ways that I just came up with by myself. So I want to make this video about just this. So in the comments, share with me creative ways in which you practice giving, in which you practice sharing. And this doesn't have to be charity only, but just sharing in general. How do you practice sharing? On that note, I'm gonna say goodbye, good night. Thank you for watching. By the way, I just realized how bad my hair was looking. I need to either cut it myself again or get it cut. But anyway, if you liked it, like it. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe if you already haven't, and share with me what is that thing that you like to share and how you like to do it. Alright? Peace. Bye-bye.